Have you ever stopped talking because you suddenly didn't know whether to say see, watch, or look? It's one of those little things that can trip anyone up, but today we're going to make it so clear that you'll feel confident using all three. Hello, lovely learners. I'm Shaylin, and you're listening to JISH Learn English Podcast. Let's settle this together. Picture yourself relaxing on your sofa, not really paying attention to anything outside. Suddenly, something moves past the window. You didn't try to notice it, your eyes just caught it. That's exactly what see does. We use see when an image comes to our eyes without effort, almost like an accident. You don't plan to see, it just happens because your eyes are open. For example, I saw a cat run across the garden. Or, did you see that flash of lightning? Even when you say, I'm going to see a doctor, you mean you're going to meet them, not stare at them. So see is all about receiving visual information naturally. Now imagine you hear a strange noise outside, so you decide to turn your head toward the window. That's look. Look is intentional. You choose to direct your eyes. We almost always say look at something. Look at that beautiful painting, or I looked at my phone to check the time. You can also look for things when you search with your eyes, like I'm looking for my keys. So the big difference is simple. See is an accident, look is a choice. Let's go one step further. After you look out the window, you notice that the cat is now playing with a ball, and you decide to keep observing. Now you are watching. Watch means you pay attention to something for a period of time, usually because it is moving or changing. You watch a movie because it's a sequence of moving images, and you watch a football game because the action unfolds. In daily life, you might say, I watched the birds hop around in the park, or we watched the sunset together. If the thing is still, like a photo, we just look at it. But when there is activity, watch is your word. Here's a little memory trick. Think of 3 levels. See is automatic, like noticing a text pop up on your screen. Look is choosing to direct your eyes. You glance at the message. Watch is staying with it. You watch a video someone sent. A short phrase that helps my students is, you see by chance, you look on purpose, you watch over time. Let that settle in for a moment. Now let's put all 3 into one quick real-life story. You're sitting in a cafe. You see a friend across the room. You didn't plan that. You look at your friend and wave. Then you both watch a street performer outside the window. Perfectly different, perfectly natural. One extra tip. When we talk about films, it's fine to say see a movie for the event of going to the cinema, but when you're curled up on the couch with your eyes on the screen, watch a movie feels more natural. Both can be correct. It just depends on the feeling you want. Let's try a quick check together. I'll describe a moment, you think of the right word. You walk past a park, and without trying, you notice a colorful butterfly. Yes, see, I saw a butterfly. Your friend points to the sky and tells you to move your eyes up. Right, look at the rainbow. Now you stand still for a while because the butterfly is dancing from flower to flower. Perfect. Watch. I'm watching the butterfly. See how clear it becomes when you think about intention and time? I hope the difference feels friendlier now. Just remember awareness, intention, and time. I'd love to hear from you. What is one thing you really enjoy watching? Maybe a series, a sport, or even the rain outside? Tell me in the comments in a full sentence. If this episode helped, please give it a like and subscribe to JISH Learn English Podcast so we can keep learning together. I'm Shaylin. Thank you for being here with me today. See you very soon. Bye-bye.